Hazel, and I'm a senior lecturer here in the School of Law at Queen Mary University. We're on strike for a couple of reasons. One is that we've had real terms pay cuts in our salary, equating to around about 25% over the last 10 years. And obviously it's a lot more acute in the cost of living crisis. A lot of our colleagues are struggling to pay rent, mortgages, care costs, using food banks. But also around about 90,000 of the workforce in higher education are on precarious contracts. Means that they're not entitled to the same work benefits that a lot of our colleagues, like myself, who are on permanent contracts, are entitled to.
There are strikes going across a number of industries in this country, with working people going on strike all over the place. Why do you think that is?
Because I think there's a kind of growing discontent with the government over the past, I'd say, 15, 20 years. It's not just the Conservative government, but also the New Labour government. We've tried to, erode the rights of workers. These are the people that are, building our infrastructure. They're looking after people. They're teaching people. They're the ones that effectively build the country. And we've had government after government that has been trying to pulverise and pound them, diminish their quality of life, and it's also causing all kinds of repercussions in terms of mental health, quality of living, all of those kinds of things. So it's not surprising that so many people are coming out on strike collectively to stand up, for decent pay, decent pensions, and decent working conditions.
What do you think about the mainstream media's coverage of disputes and strikes recently?
I think the mainstream media coverage tends to generally be anti-worker. I think they're in kind of close proximity with, the bosses and, a state which, works in cahoots with the bosses. But I don't think that they can ignore the groundswell of support, the number of workers that are going on strike. And so I don't think it's as easy for them to kind of peddle a lot of anti-worker, anti-union stuff. So I think there are slow shifts, but any shifts is coming from the fact that there's a lot of public support and workers are organised.